Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can automatically send SMS to your customers on form submission. So let's take an example that you are a software business owner and you create the customized softwares for your customers. And you have created a request form using your Cognito Forms account which you have shared with your customers so that they can request for this specific customized softwares from you. Now you want that whenever any of your customer fills the form, that is your request form, automatically they should receive an SMS on their mobile number that the request has been received. For this we need to create a connection between Cognito Forms and Twilio so that whenever the form is submitted by the customer, automatically an SMS or a message is sent to the customer on his mobile number. So in order to create a connection between Cognito Forms and Twilio, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So we are back on our screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Cognito Forms to Twilio integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send an SMS message to the customers on the form submission. So open this trigger window, choose the application name as Cognito Forms. Select the trigger event as new entry. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Cognito Forms account. In your form submission settings, click the box next to post JSON data to a website. Copy the webhook URL and paste it under the submit entry endpoint field. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to the Cognito Forms where I have already created some forms. Here we are going to access this new integration request form. And here you can see that we have 0 submissions or 0 entries over here. So I'm just going to open this form over here. And now we are going to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect. So that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically the details of the form submission are captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here we have to come to the submission settings option. Click on it. And here we can find post JSON data to a website option. Just make it on. Now it is asking for the submit entry endpoint. Here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save. Okay, and here we can see that the webhook is saved on this particular form. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer or we have to do a test submission. So let's move to the form. Here we have to just click on this publish option. And here you can find the form link which you can embed it on a website to get the form filled or you can share this particular link with your customers to get the form filled. So let's open this form in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number over here. Here we have to give the application name. So let us give it as Zoho CRM. And here we have to give the application URL. So I'm just giving it as www.zoho.com. And let's click on Submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find the form name as new integration request form. Here we can find the first name and the last name of the customer. And here we can find his email address, his phone number, the application name, the application URL, the created date and time, and all other details are captured over here. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new SMS message should be delivered to the customer on his mobile number. For that, come to this action step. Choose the application name as Twilio. Select the action event as send SMS message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the account SID, authorization token and account SID. For that, I'll take you to my Twilio account. This is my Twilio dashboard. When we scroll down, here we can find the account SID. So I'm just going to copy this SID from here and I'll be pasting the same account SID over here and here also. Now it is asking for the authorization token. So we'll be getting the authorization token from here, that is auth token. So we have to just copy this auth token also and we have to paste the same auth token over here. And now let's click on save. And now the Twilio account is connected to Pabbly Connect as I was already logged into my Twilio account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Twilio account. Now here we have to give the body of the SMS. What is the message you want to send to your customers on their mobile number? So I'm just entering the message over here. So I've entered the message as hello. Now I want the name of the customer to be displayed over here. We have successfully received your request for the integration of. I want the application name to be displayed over here after of with Pabbly Connect. Our team will get back to you as the request integration is live. Thank you, Pabbly team. So here we are going to map the details which we have already received from the form submission. So let us map the details. Here we are going to map the name of the customer from Cognito Forms and the name was Adam Smith. Let's give a comma over here. We have successfully received your request for the integration of. Here I am just adding the application name also. The application name was Zoho CRM with Pabbly team. No, sorry, with Pabbly Connect. Our team will get back to you as your integration request is live. Okay, thank you, Pabbly team. Okay, so the message is ready. Here we have to give the sender number, the approved sending number in your Twilio account. So we will be getting the approved sending number on our dashboard itself. So I am pasting my Twilio sending number over here. You have to paste your number. And here we have to give the recipient number. Enter the contact number of the recipient. Recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the SMS. So let us map the recipient number from Cognito Forms. And let us find the number. And let us read the instructions also. Enter the contact number of the recipient. Example +91, that is the country code is also required. So I'm adding the +91 country code manually over here. Remember, you have to add your country code over here. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the message is delivered to the customer. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see a new message notification. I'm just going to open it. And here we can see the message as hello Adam Smith. We have successfully received your request for the integration of Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. Our team will get back to you as the request integration is live. Thank you, Pabbly team. So in this way, we can see that the integration is working fine and the customer has received a message on his mobile number. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now, as this is a one-time process, we have created the automation. Next time, whenever any of the customer is going to fill your Cognito form, that is your integration request form, automatically he is going to receive the message on his mobile number. So let's open the form in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer. Here let us give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number over here. Application name as Pipe Drive this time. And let's add the application URL, that is www.pipedrive.com. And let's click on Submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. So here we can see that the form has been filled. Now we have to check that whether the customer has received any message or not. So I'll just open the messages over here, and here I can find a new message notification. Sent from your Twilio trial account. Hello Shikha Arya, we have successfully received your request for the integration of Pipe Drive with Pabbly Connect. Our team will get back to you as the request integration is live. Thank you, Pabbly team. So here we can see that a new message is delivered to the customer, and the message, here we can see the customer name as Shikha Arya. Here we can find the application name. So in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Cognito Forms and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer and the application names through the form submission. And using those details of the form submission, automatically a new message was delivered to the customer on his mobile number. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Cognito Forms and Twilio using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.